Hello my friends. Today I will show you how much money you can make from recycling and selling copper cables. Over the past year, I have accumulated over 100 kilograms of copper cables. I work as an electrician at a construction site, and after completing the work, I take all the waste of the electrical cable home. Now I will burn all the wires in the fire and get all the copper, and at the end of the video I will show you how many kilograms of copper I made and how much they will pay me for it, so watch the video to the end. Friends, if you are interested in such content, then do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. This will greatly help me in the development of my channel, and I will regularly shoot interesting videos for you. To begin with, we find a place further away from people and kindle a fire from wood, and then we throw the cable into the fire. I did not burn the entire cable at once so that there was not too much smoke. Unfortunately, when wires are burned, a lot of chemical elements are released into the atmosphere that harm nature, so I decided that every time I do this, I will plant 10 trees to compensate for the harm that I cause to nature. When I plant trees, I will show this process on my channel, so subscribe to the channel so as not to miss. After the wires have burned out, remove them from the fire and clean them from the remnants of insulation. I did not burn the thick wires, but cleaned them out with a knife. After 4 hours of work, I received such a box full of copper. Let's weigh and see how many kilograms there will be. As you can see friends, we got 83 kilograms of copper, and I am very pleased with the result. Now I'm loading copper into the car and I'm going to exchange the copper for money, and then I'll show you how much I was paid. At the moment, they buy copper from us at $8 per kilogram. And what is your price for copper? Be sure to write in the comments. It will be very interesting to find out. For 83 kilograms of copper I was paid $664. For me this is a lot. To earn that kind of money I have to work for 2 months at a construction site. My friends, if you like these videos, please support me, subscribe to the channel, and write as many comments as possible. This helps the video to grow. Then I will make such interesting videos for you every week. Thanks for watching. Bye.